My name is Frank Berger. I'm director of the Center for Colon Cancer Research here at the University of South Carolina, and I'm a professor in the Department of Biological Sciences. My research is focused on understanding the mechanisms by which cancer cells develop resistance to chemotherapeutic interventions. Many patients never respond to a therapeutic intervention. Other patients who do respond develop resistance later and lose their ability to respond. And we're trying to understand at the molecular level why this occurs and to devise ways of overcoming it. We have found in our studies that cells mount two responses to exposure to chemotherapeutic agents. One is cell killing, which is what you want, and we know a lot about how chemotherapeutic agents kill cancer cells. But the other thing is that we've learned is that cancer cells mount a defense against those chemotherapeutic drugs. And this constrains the ability to kill those cells. So two things are happening in response to exposure to chemotherapeutic drugs. One is cell death, and the other is a defense against such death. We have been focusing our studies in the last few years on understanding the molecular mechanisms by which cancer cells mount that defense response, with the goal of developing new ways to overcome that response, thereby maximizing the cell death response and increasing the sensitivity of cancer cells to chemotherapeutic agents. An important molecule that we have landed on is called NRF2, which is a transcription factor that controls a large number of genes, many of which are involved in defense against oxidative stress and foreign chemicals. So in gaining an understanding of the mechanisms of cell defense, coupled with new ways of overcoming that defense, we hope to improve the ability to treat cancer with chemotherapy, increase the sensitivity without increasing the toxicity to patients, and overall improve the ability to manage colorectal cancer and other cancers.